Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor, September 30th, bringing you your morning coffee. The big thing today that we're going to need to watch is this quarterly stocks report. It comes out at 11 o'clock. So let's run through some of the expectations. Wheat is really the biggest, what if for this report. When talking about wheat, we've got a pretty large range that guys are expecting. So how many stocks, how much wheat is left out there up to this point? Basically for wheat, there's about 180 million bushel range, anywhere from 1.82 million up to 2 million bushels. So it's going to be watched pretty closely on this report. Corn and beans, those are big question marks. But for wheat, if we do end up seeing closer to this, let's say 1.82 million bushel, the market could react, could be friendly. Most of this comes from higher than expected feeding. So we fed more wheat last year than what we thought. So watch that. That's going to be watched closely here today. As far as corn and beans. Beans, yes, we are looking for ending stocks to get tighter. The range is from 106 million bushels on a low end up to 155 on a higher end. The average trade looking for about 124, which is not a lot of change from what USDA is expecting. But then for corn, a range of 552 million on a lower end, on a high end 750 million bushel. Average guess there is 681. The thing with corn, it's not going to make a bit of difference. You can come in here and let's say it is on the lower end of that. We still have a big crop coming. So that's going to be watched pretty closely. We've been hearing some good harvest reports out there on corn. Those still remain very strong. Beans, still hearing some good yields out there as well on that. But the thing that's going to happen here, yes, we'll trade this report for probably half an hour, but we're going to start looking for something else after this. Some of the concerns that we have right now is that is rain now, is it actually friendly to the market? Guys start talking harvest delays. That's going to be the next concern. I know around here we did get a little rain over the weekend. Just about time it dries out, we've got another one coming again. So that's going to be, rain is going to be looked at as a little bit friendly for us here. So continue watching that weather. That's going to be important. Very light trade going on out there right now. You've got corn up 2 cents, beans down 7. And then wheat right now down about 1.50 pennies, but very light volume overnight. Not a lot of movement here going into this report, but that report does come out at 11 o'clock. Stay in tune with us. We'll get you those numbers as soon as those come out. Something that's going to be probably a little more important here up until that report is livestock. We had a hog and pigs report out on Friday, kind of a surprising report. All pigs estimates came in at 98.4. Or that was the average guess, was 98.4. The actual number there was 100.3%. Kept for marketing, 98.1. Actual was 100.3 there as well. And then for breeding, guys expected 101.5%, came in at 100.4. So, but the biggest surprise, obviously we've been talking a lot about this PED issue, and looking at the breakdown here kept for marketing, the 50 to 119 pounds, the estimated guess there was about 98.6% over last year's numbers, came out at 101.1. So this basically is showing that they're not concerned about PED. We've got the numbers out there. I'm just not sure where they are. But looking at them, that's a bearish number. We are expecting hogs this morning to open up anywhere from 50 to maybe 75 lower from this news. That 50 to 120 pound, as I was talking about, that's more of the December contract right now, so watch that. That may see some of the most pressure here this morning. So markets open up at 9:05 as far as livestock. Watch that open here. The grains, as I mentioned, are just going to chop. We're going to see them chop around until that 11 o'clock time period until USDA releases these numbers. But we do expect some pretty quiet trade up until then. So watch the weather as well. the weather right now. If we do get rain right now is more of on the friendlier side. Guys going to start talking harvest delays there. But give us a call. We're going to get you that information as soon as it comes out. Feel free to give us a call at any time, 800-262-7538, or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Take care.